Hey folks, it's just stopped raining. Grass is soaking wet, so I'll never any look trying to cut that. So I'm going to start on the little bits. This is just a short video to show you how I get the little bits sorted, because some of them are just too small to put in the sandblaster, so you have to do them the old-fashioned way. So here we go. Well, that's come up nice. What I do now is take the bolts out, clamp them in individually and do the bits that it's missed. I do one at a time. I can just put the bolts straight back in where they've come out from, because look at that, some of that is still, I don't know if I can do that. Look. Not bad. So I shall crack on with all these little bits. Give me a little voice. So I'll catch you when I've finished them all. Dust. I've done all them little bits now. I've already done all the crossbars and the blade, took all the red paint off that. I've ordered the paint, which should be here in a few days. So look at these bits. These bits I've just done. These have come up quite nice. These are, they're alright. These are the bolts for the outside. These have got to be painted green, so they'll be up for powder coating. That is the cap on the side of the engine. Now I've got to look into it. I'm not sure if that's going to be green or whether it's going to be chrome. It's possibly going to be chrome, as is that one. That's got to be chromed as well. But they're all ready. So now it's a case of waiting for the paint. So, like I said, just a quick one. Thanks for watching, people. Bye.